Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This time we're checking out Harrah's Hotel and Casino in Las Vegas. I'll show you what this place has to offer, take you on a full room tour, and of course, do a blacklight test to see just how clean or not this room really is. So is Harrah's worth staying at? Let's find out. The location of this hotel is really great. It's right next to Link Hotel and across from Caesar's Palace, so it's very central. The casino at Harrah's might feel a little small at first, but that's because the ceilings are low, which gives it a cozy vibe, but in fact, it's pretty large. They actually have 60 table games and more than 1,000 slot machines. Here's the sportsbook. Not the biggest, but still pretty nice. The reception area was pretty quiet when I was checking in. You can go to the front desk, but they really want you to use the mobile check-in kiosks, and honestly, they're super quick and easy to use, so use them. It will save you time. At the reception area, there's an essentials store and a souvenir shop. We can grab some overpriced Vegas merch. There's also a bar and of course, a Starbucks. Harrah's has a decent lineup of food spots, including Gordon Ramsay's kitchen. This is a fancy option. I hope their beef Wellington is good. This over here is Pizza Cake. Their pizza doesn't look bad at all. There's a cake vending machine. Skip this one, not recommended. Roots Chris Steakhouse. This one is highly recommended by reviews online. Walk-On's is a sports bar style eatery. There's Ben & Jerry's here as well because ice cream is always a good idea. And there's another Starbucks because one is never enough. There's also the Fulton Street Food Hall, which has a coffee and bakery shop. Here you can grab something quick to eat. There's noodles and sushi. There's also Bobby's Burgers and Pinup Pizza. This place is known for their giant slices. Chicken Guy is opening soon. And there's also a really nice bar inside the food hall. If that's not enough, there's a McDonald's right outside that's open 24 hours. Plus, you're super close to the Link Hotel, which has even more dining options, and there's an indoor walkway connecting the two hotels. The Link Promenade is also close by, and there you'll find even more great restaurants. For drinks, there are plenty of bars here. This is one of them, the lounge bar that looks super fancy. This one is the signature bar. If you like karaoke, check out the piano bar. And there's also a purple zebra here. Outside, you'll find Carnival Court, where there's a bar and live music. I stayed in the Mountain Tower on the 43rd floor, or so I thought. Turns out, 43 is actually the third floor. The room was $22.50, and after resort fees and taxes, I paid $76.47. This was a weekday, so on the weekends, it will be more expensive. For some reason, there was tissue paper in the peephole. And welcome to my One Queen Mountain Deluxe room. The rooms at Harrah's have been all recently remodeled, and they do look modern. There's a sitting area here with one chair and a side table. There's a little desk here and a vanity table to do your makeup. There's also tissue paper here. There's a 55-inch TV, and under it there's a safe. And there's no fridge in this room. I know that some rooms here do have a fridge, but not this one. You can definitely see the wear and tear here, even though it's a renovated room. They give you ice bucket and 2 cups. The luggage rack is over here. The carpet is a little dirty. By the entrance, there's a full body mirror. The bathroom is very small, but updated. This is a very nice shower. It's a big shower for a small room like this. They use community bath products, which is pretty common for Caesar's properties. The closet space is tucked behind the door with hangers, an iron, and an ironing board. Under the sink, you'll find a blow dryer. Plus, they provide hand soap and body lotion. And this is the view from my room. I don't know why they call it a mountain tower, but there's definitely no mountain view here. Under black light, unfortunately, I found a lot of stains on the sheets, pillows, headboard. This is really disappointing because the sheets should definitely not look like this. I also found plenty of stains on everything in the room, like the nightstands, the carpet, and the chair. The wall in the room was clean, unlike Circus Circus. The mattress itself was clean but had a deep dent in it, which made it very uncomfortable. The bathroom was mostly clean except for some stains under the toilet and the wall. The wall was kinda gross. The shower was clean. Harrah's has a very nice fitness center with a pool view. The pool was closed for the season when I visited. It opens mid-March. The fitness center is large and very well equipped. There's also a spa with a hair salon. You can also catch a show here like Donny Osmond, Menopause the Musical, Michael Jackson Live, and there's also a magic show. One big plus, there's a monorail station here, making it super easy to get around the strip. So that's my review of Harrah's Hotel in Las Vegas. I really like its location, right in the center. You can easily walk everywhere, and there's a monorail here as well, so getting around is super easy. It's a budget-friendly hotel in a great location. There's also lots of food options in and around the hotel. The rooms are modern, but cleanliness could be better. If you are on a budget and you want to be in the center of the strip, this is definitely a good option. Don't forget to join Caesar's Rewards to get special perks and discounts on your stays. What do you guys think? Have you stayed here? Would you like to stay here? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye!